Good morning. Good Saturday morning, that is. Yeah, woke up to this, y'all. I don't know if y'all wake up to this, but I wake up to this. I have naturally curly hair, and yeah, can't do a thing with it. So, if you're ever wondering why Tamara puts her hair up in a braid, this is why, y'all, because usually I will take my shower in the evening and I will sleep on my wet hair because I do not use blow dryers. And then when I wake up in the morning, this is what I got. So if I don't do some kind of straightener, then, you know, I can walk around looking like Frizzy McFrizzy, or I can just go ahead and tame the wild beast and yeah, put her up in a braid. And so I'm gonna put her up in a braid because I got a lot planned for us today. This is the 4th of July weekend, so it's gonna be probably a lot of traffic out, and I just wanted to kind of stay at home and get myself a little bit more organized, get the house cleaned up. Got a few projects I want to do. We're having a problem with crows in the garden. I've never had that problem before. So yeah, we've never ever had crows, but we have these big black crows that have decided that they like my garden and they want to scavenge off my garden, and I can't have that. So we are going to make a scarecrow today, y'all, and I will show her picture. Little Kahaba Junkin, I believe is her name. Please forgive me if I just butchered it. But she showed how to make a really simple, easy scarecrow for the garden. And, you know, YouTube is my YouTube university, you know. Anything that I need to know how to do, I can do, because I go on YouTube and I figure it out. I let these more experienced people tell me how to do things. And so that's what we do. We're just going to tuck her back. I don't like these rubber bands, y'all. I normally get my rubber bands from the Dollar Tree, and they're really nice rubber bands, y'all, but I had to get these other kind this last time, and my hair is so thick, I don't have good luck with these smaller rubber bands. But anyway, got myself dressed. I'm gonna do a quick cleanup on my little bedroom here, make the bed and all that good stuff. I've got a little bit of dishes to do, a little bit of laundry to do, a little bit of pickup to do, a little bit of cleanup to do. So I'm gonna take you along for that. Gonna be a real quick little montage thing, and then we're gonna get started. Come on along with me if you wanna sit and see. This coffee good, y'all. It's so that stuff because we got too much to do today. So I'm just straightening and tidying up. That's what we're doing today. We just tidying up. Well, y'all, that's basically my morning clean routine, or sometimes I do that at nighttime. It just depends on how I'm feeling, but either way, whether I do it in the evening or I do it in the morning, it just always feels so good to go from all that chaos and clutter to a nice, fresh, clean home.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away.
Okay, so I think I'm going to change out that. And I still need to push that down a little bit, but I got one of these plastic pots. And it fits the hat better. So I'm just going to put her down here like this. And ta-da! There's my Scarecrow. Cost me $3. Right there. It wrote on the paper, y'all. I was like, why didn't it write on the wall? It didn't write on the wall, y'all, because there's a sticker on the back, but you gotta take the sticker off so that you can, yeah. All right, let's try this again. So I want one about there, and then I want one right about here, I think. So that's where we're gonna put it. And y'all, did I come in here and not bring? So I brought the boards, but I forgot the drill. Lord sakes almighty. It's in a stud, y'all. It's in the stud. So she ain't going anywhere. Here, make sure she's straight. Now loosen it. I tightened it too much because I gotta get it straight. There we go. That's straight. And just so you know, from this angle, it look crooked, y'all. That's why you want to use a level. Because, you know, it look crooked. But it's straight, y'all. Had I left it the way I had it, y'all, it would have been crooked. So there you go. Now, I'll show you a little trick. When you do the other one, this is what you're going to do. You're going to remove the sticker off the back first. That's the first thing you're going to do. Why? Because we learned that just a few minutes ago, right? And then we're going to take our level and we're going to set it right up here like that. And we are going to assume that this is where the thing is. And it is not level, y'all. So, what the world? Well, that ain't right. There we go. There you go, y'all. Right there. That says it's level, y'all. Like I said, to me it looked like it ain't level. So just so you know, it don't look level to me from down here. But we're not doing it based on me, right? We're basing it on the level, because the level don't lie. What y'all cats doing? That, I don't think hit a stud, y'all. I think we might be off on that. Okay, so there you go. There's two of them. Now, I'm going to stain these boards, but I just want to show you that's about what they're going to look like. And we're going to do another set right underneath of them. So they're going to be pretty much right underneath. And the way I want to measure this is by the biggest plate that I have. So I want to make sure that these plates are going to stand up here pretty well. So just take your level again, and we just want to put it like that. Oh, my bad. And there we go right there. But it's not even with that other one. Yeah, so that look about right. So we're gonna put this down for a second. Okay. And then you're just gonna check it again. Make sure it's level. Just like that. Alright. Same thing. level. All right, that looks good that way. Now we gotta make sure that looks good that way. Put it back on here. Looks good. And I'm just gonna make sure one more time. That's going like that. So these shelves are 3 foot. I bought a 6 foot board, and we had these for another project. They weren't for this project, but they were leftovers, and so that's what we're using. But that's what it looks like right now, and I do plan on staining these boards, but this is what we've got. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make a plate hole behind this, and then the plates will sit up there like that, and then the decor will be up there. So I decided, y'all, to go ahead and put my Alice in Wonderland picture right back up. I think it's going to look just fine right there. And so I'm going to go ahead and put her back up. And she actually is held up by command strips, actually. So these command strips are wonderful, y'all. And you don't need a lot of knowledge to know how to do it. But I'm gonna line it up right with that bottom of that shelf, since I know that they're level. There we go. And there she is. I like it. I like it a lot. And yeah. So where's my little bees at? Maybe we can put the bees back up too. Let's see. Let's see. Here's my one bee. Again, he's just attached to the wall with command strips. So we're just gonna put these back on the wall too. Why not? Why not? Right? There we go. And so basically all of our favorite things are back on here. It's just that we shortened the bookcase. Instead of the big quilt one that was real long, now we have 2 smaller ones, and we have 2 versus 1 so that we can display our shabby chic dishes, and then the top shelf can be for, you know, I don't know, other decor. Y'all, am I tuckered out? I bet my hair look crazy, don't it? It usually does. Humidity is crazy outside. It's about 85 degrees outside, so it's just too warm for me, y'all. I like the cool fall weather. I like the cold winter weather. I must be the only person on the planet that likes the cold. But, yeah. So, anyway, got several things accomplished that I wanted to today. So, I'm super excited about that. Got the house cleaned up. And let's see, we did the bird bath, we did the Scarecrow, and we did the shelves in the dining room. So A++ on that. We will decorate the shelf tomorrow because by then the wood should be nice and dry. And I'm going to color my hair, y'all. That's right. You heard it here. Look at all the white, y'all. Look at the white. Look at the gray. Look at the white. So me, Max, and Tigger are going to just sit here and relax for a little while. Maybe watch some YouTube videos and call it a day for today. Other than that, we're just going to chill out and relax. So I will see you tomorrow, which will be Sunday of this weekend vlog. Good morning, guys. Happy Independence Day. I hope that you get to spend time with family and friends today. My hope is that I can wrap up the rest of the projects that I have to do and then maybe go over to my mother-in-law's to swim in her pool. So first we're going to do some Thomas English muffin and some avocado spread and some coffee. Of course, got to have my coffee. That's my fuel that gets me started. The plan for today is going to be to get rid of the Dome's white hair. And so I have it over here. It's the Revlon, and it's called medium golden brown. So I'm going to be doing that to get rid of this. I'm also planning to hang curtains in the living room. And I liked the ones in the bedroom so much, or in the office so much, that I decided to go get the blue set. The ones in the office are pink. These have blue leaves, blue and gray leaves. And I have so much blue going on in the living room that I think these will be great. They're 2 panels, 38 by 84 inches, faux linen curtains with grommets, and $12.99, guys. $12.99 from And That, the Christmas shop. They have the most beautiful curtains, y'all. And 2 panels for $12.99. Fantastic. So I got 2 of those. So we're going to be hanging these up. And then I also need to fix the curtain that is currently in the, master bedroom, because the one in the master bedroom I didn't hang tall enough, and so now it's dragging the curtains are dragging the floor, and I just don't like the dragging of the floor, y'all. Because then, you know, when you try to I got ready to say mow the carpet. I got mowing on the brain. But yeah, so when I go to vacuum, you know, you take a chance of catching the curtain, and I don't want to do that. Plus, Maxwell likes to hide behind the curtains, and so if they're dragging the ground, he has a tendency to get behind them and lay down on them, and they pull on them. So I want to get them up. So I'm going to redo that. I have never painted above those curtains because I used to have them hanging almost to the ceiling. So I will need to get paint to paint that, to finish that part, but I'm not going to town today, so I'll do that in another video, I'm sure. But I am going to go ahead and patch and sand down the holes that are above the window, find the stud, and rehang those, that curtain rod. So same curtains, just gonna rehang that curtain rod in there and fix that. So it's the master bedroom curtain, living room curtain, get rid of the shiny white on the dome, and I'm probably gonna go out this morning really quickly and early on the lawn tractor and get the front pasture mowed. And that's why I had lawn mowing on my brain. But first, gotta get my fuel. This is just Thomas English muffin, 100% whole wheat, and my avocado spread, which I absolutely love, y'all. I put too much salt in it this time, though. I don't normally put salt in it. I don't know what I was thinking. I won't do that again. And can I just say, I cannot stop looking at those shelves. Oh, I love them. I love the way that turned out. I was really afraid to change that wall. I like my home. I love everything about it. I love the way I love the decor. I love the way we've got it laid out and everything. And honestly, I was so afraid that those shelves were just going to be too much. But I love them. I love them. Good morning, girls. Easiest mowing ever, y'all. I just love my new lawn tractor. I just love it. Didn't take me no time. I cut things that I hadn't cut before. So anyway, now time to go in here and I guess decorate them shelves. Yeah, let's do that. So the super fun part begins, guys. Waverly Wax Antique is what he used for the color on the shelves. I got this from Walmart. I love the shelves. I love the way they came out. They're exactly the same color as my tabletop. I couldn't have asked for anything better. So I'm just putting those up there. And these were candle holders that I had out in the barn, and I just pulled them and brought them back in because I knew I wanted to use them on the shelf. So super excited about that. This I got from Old Roosting Box. Isn't it so cute? I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. A little pop of color there. And then these were also on the old shelf. My little teacups. And this was on the old shelf as well. I did not drill or make the plate indentation in this. All I did was use hot glue and put some hot glue there. This also came from the Old Roosting Box. So I like it. Isn't it so super cute, y'all? And then these we use, the only time we use these are for New Year's. But I love them. I think they're so pretty. What do you think, guys? Think it looks good? I think it looks good. Oh, I just love it. I just love it. And let me show you. If you look up on the shelf, you'll see the glue. And then on these shelves up here, we just glued a little stick up there to hold so that the plates would sit and we could hold it. But I just love it. Doesn't it look so good? Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh, it's just so pretty. It's so pretty. I don't know. Which way? I don't know. I kind of like it that way instead. So, I love it. Oh, I love it. Well, guys, unfortunately, the weekend got away from me, and I wasn't able to hang my curtains or do any of the other projects that I had in mind for this weekend. But I feel like it was a very productive weekend. I still got 3 projects that I wanted to do done. Plus, I got to play on the lawn tractor. So that wasn't so bad. And although it's a little bit darker than I like, it will turn gray pretty quickly. And I'm sorry that I didn't get to video it because, you know, technical difficulties. Someone forgot to turn the camera on. And so when I was filming the hair coloring process, it wasn't really filming. So chalk it up to an experience, I guess. Anyway, we'll get to the curtains again in another episode, I'm sure. And I just hope that everybody had a really wonderful and safe 4th of July weekend. I hope you got to spend lots of time with your family and your friends, and you just had lots of joy overflowing. I wanted to tell you that God loves you, and I love you. I thank you for stopping by today. It means so much to me that I have subscribers, and if you liked the video, although this is not typically the length of videos I like to do, because I had so many projects over the course of 3 days, it did make it a little bit longer. But anyway, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. You can even give a comment if you'd like. And yeah, you can share and you can subscribe. That would be great to grow the channel. Overall, I think it was a great weekend for me. I didn't get to go swimming because I kind of did some other little things around the house. I read a little bit and took some time to relax and chill and just be in the moment in my garden and that kind of stuff. So anyway, I'm going to wrap this weekend vlog up today, and I will see you next time. Remember, please always be kind to one another. Until next time, guys, you are always welcome. Bye.